Hello, this is Ken from EasyTest Pool Supplies on our yearly interview with Tim McDonough from Radiant. Tim, one of the reasons we like the Radiant pools the most is just because of how versatile, efficient, and long-lasting they are. Can you just dive into some of the features that make them?
Sure, absolutely. And again, thank you for having us here today. So, one of the most key features of the product is its versatility. So basically this is an in-ground pool that can go above the ground. It has its print finish on the outside, so that versatility, there's no backyard we can't build a pool in. And of course, with EasyTest and their construction experience, there's no job that you guys can't do.
That's right.
And of course, and don't forget that above ground is always, something that is an easy install and quick and simple to get to. There's also, as far as features with the product, efficiency. So we have the wall itself. This is a sample of the wall and has an R10 insulation in here, so you get that heat retention in the pool. So for example, with EasyTest, you guys sell heat pumps.
Yep.
And that is the most efficient way to heat your pool. Well, guess what? You have the most efficient pool that you can buy on the market. Okay? And then as far as what we have for our
like the longevity of the pool?
the longevity of the pool, sorry, the warranty. The warranty is unsurpassed in the industry. It's a lifetime warranty that is non-prorated, and it has unlimited transfer options. So if you sold your house, a consumer sells their house, they want to sell the pool, and the pool's going with the house, they get that original manufacturer's warranty.
Wow, Radiants really are unique. Thank you, Tim.
Thanks.
And thanks for watching.